To install the Swivl expand case, you'll need the Swivl expand case kit, an iPad, and the Swivl. We're going to go ahead and start with the iPad. So step one is you'll turn the iPad over and you will write down or record the RF tag so that you can request to get another asset tag made. Then you can start opening the expand case. Because of the RF tag being raised, I'm only going to put them on here and here. Next thing out of the box is the screen protector. I will clean the screen off first. Got a little tap. Make sure you try and get all the air bubbles out, not letting any dust get trapped underneath it when you put the screen protector on. I've got a piece of dust right there that may not be visible on the camera, but that's going to create an air pocket. And so now we have the Swivl case and screen protector on. This is the replacement clip for your Swivl. This pops to the right, lifts right out. This new one pops in. Your case then has the clip here, which then just clips in place. There it goes. It's finally firmly clipped in place there. The final piece is the lens, which just clips on right over the camera. Once you get your new asset tag, go ahead and put it on the back of the Swivl case.